Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Chris and Tutula. And rolling.
Stibo. Umuntu okhulumayo ngapha uthi ubani? Umakhelwane uyarasa.
Amapakani.
Isikhathi sakhe esidlulile.
Yes.
Stibo ngikhumbula badlala eOrlando ngikutshela ukuthi Stibo Pirates won't ever take a league until I take it first.
Yes.
Stibo, I have 4 wins on a row.
Yes.
There is something that is coming.
Yes.
And they are not expecting it.
Yes.
Stibo, the Chiefs.
Yeah.
Will go to number 2.
Yeah.
If they don't take a league,
yes.
Chiefs will go to number 2.
I said it.
You stay there.
I said it.
Asikaqedi. Siyeza. Kala bocoach bethu abasihleka ngabo. Sisendleleni. Yeah. Bathi ifa lapha into abafungene. Bangena.
Bathi Pirates angeke ithathe.
Never. Izoyithatha yisaphi?
Lalela. Stibo, ngithi congratulations. Stibo, 3 points in the back. Yeah.
1 point for ball.
Yes.
Ngasikhulume kakhulu nje.
Yeah.
Ngoba thina umsebenzi wethu bayithola mandate abafana.
Yeah.
Ukuthi we are going for it.
For number 2.
For number 2.
Yes.
Bayitholile mandate. Imessage ingenile.
Yeah.
Sihlabe ingqeni.
Yeah.
La kubuhlungu khona.
Yeah.
Yasazi awume ngengoma. Yabo yasazi spade ifethu masifaka emntwaneni sibuhlungu kanjani sishaya sithi alokathi ilento esiyenze kubhakaniya. Leyo ukuthi yabo laba khona bayinyele lapha khona. Baminye bayigakele lapha. Lalela futhi sibone ngizokhala kancane ngama coaches wethu. Ayibonile itempo yegame ukuthi bephezulu. Why you have to change uDuba no Mduduzi? Ayibona itempo iphezulu, so why do you have to change them? Why ungathi at least uzama ukhiphe uLilep or noma uSilva egcineni sikwazi ukuthi push more tempo and get more goals. In terms of cha ngangandi kakhulu kodwa into engijabulela abafethu 3 points in the back umfethu akayivala.
Uyazi Stibo sikutshelile sithi thina Stibo we are the underdogs. The way siza ngakhona Stibo no one will see ukuthi like iChiefs izophela ku number 2. Only thina siyibonayo. Kunalawa amaneba wethu abarasa kakhulu. Uyazi ngitheni kubo Stibo mamela ngithe ukora ama goals amaningi. Leyo it doesn't mean ukuthi uzoba number 1. Ubeka into abayenzayo Stibo bakora 3 goals. Izinto ukuthi uthatha umfukeni nama player la way 4 siyazi ukuthi bayi 5 kuphela lapha. Ubabeka ngaphandle, control the game. Relax. On the next game they come with energy. Wena wenza ubadlalisa ama 90 minutes. Bayakhathala Stibo. Iyo lento yenza ukuthi Stibo this is the downfall yebhakaniya lo. And bazobona thina siloko sithi siyaphezulu Stibo. And mase sifikile lapha bazosala lemuva le. Phela labantu laba Stibo they are our shadows Stibo. Ayikho into yabo yokulandela iChiefs la ihamba khona. Sizobaphathela amanti depressant. Sibaphathele njalo lokho amaphilisi bathukile. Sithi lo thank you